Welcome to our channel, J&J House Call. This is a midweek check-in. My name is Dr. John Lucio. I practice integrative medicine and pain management in Jefferson City, Missouri. And this is my wife.
Hi, I'm Dr. Jennifer Sue. I practice conventional gynecology and integrative medicine. You're going to get a treat. We hope you enjoy this quick, easy, fast recipe to introduce really good vegetables into your diet. We're going to demonstrate how Dr. Lucio makes one of our favorite side dishes, which is asparagus. If you have not subscribed, please do so and hit the notification bell so you know we've uploaded our next video.
I'm going to title the series and anything that I do with cooking is caveman cooking because I do it very simple and very fast and very healthy.
Asparagus is packed full of nutrients, micronutrients, and vitamins, as well as insoluble fiber. So it's great for our digestive health as well as soluble fiber. So both kinds of fiber. So next time you're at the store, get you some asparagus. If you can get organic, always it's better. Because if you remember, an organic plant to survive had to fight off its own self off of pests and other plants. So they developed really strong phytonutrients, and when we ingest them, they help us to fight off things as well.
I'm not professional at all. This has been trial and error. This is why I call it caveman cooking.
It's really good too. And we'll next shift into our kitchen. Yeah. So we hope you enjoy it.
So the way I prepare the asparagus is like everybody else does. I cut off the ends about 1 or 2 inches from the bottom, depending how long the asparagus is.
After you cut the asparagus, you just want to rinse them.
Beautiful asparagus.
It doesn't matter, like some of them are real skinny, some of them are big.
He always gets rid of the very bottom because it's just very fibrous.
So let it drain.
Some people dry it with paper towels. I don't even do that.
So then from here, you just take it and next there's extra virgin olive oil. And it seems like we're putting on a lot, but actually the more the better. The only downfall is olive oil tends to have high caloric content, but it's extra good for our health due to the omega-3 fatty acids. Fresh ground pepper, and you just season to taste. All natural sea salt, kosher sea salt. Sea salt.
Some
20 minutes.
people put it on a nice level surface or just one layer. This is the guy's way of doing it.
It tastes good.
Yeah, I don't get too fancy with it.
Hi, Kona. You like asparagus too? We love you.
And then I preheat the oven for 400 degrees. And after it reaches 400, I put it in there for 20 minutes and then watch it throughout. About 15 minutes has gone by. Just make sure it's not burning or the asparagus is too small and it's just starting to char. And that's it. That's all we're doing, and the family seems to like it.
We love it. So it just has like a crispy texture as well.
That's it for today. Thank you for joining us, everybody.